reading another story written and illustrated by Mo Willems. It's called I Really Like SLOP. Well, this is a great book for me, because I really do like SLOP. Although I have to share it with Templeton, but that's okay. Usually my SLOP is just leftovers. I wonder what this SLOP will be. Let's find out.
La la la. Hi, Gerald.
Hi, Piggie. Yikes! What is that?
This is SLOP.
Slop?
Yummy, yummy SLOP.
Yummy. You eat that?
Sure, I eat this. Pigs really like SLOP. Eating SLOP is part of pig culture.
Oh. Should it smell like that?
Sniff. Pop. Yes.
Oh, what about all of those flies?
The flies are how you know it is ripe. Yeah, man. You want to try some of my SLOP?
Do I want to try your slop? No way!
Oh. Okay.
Aw. Piggie, wait.
Yes, Gerald?
I will try your slop.
Yay! Maybe you will really like SLOP.
Maybe.
Try a big taste.
I will try a small taste.
Look, that is a small taste. You are close to trying SLOP. You're closer. Closer. You tried it.
Whoa! Zee! Eek!
Spicy, huh? Do you know how I get that old shoe taste? Old shoes. So, do you really like SLOP?
No. I do not really like slop, but I am glad I tried it. Because I really like you.
Oh, Gerald. Dessert?
Don't push it, bub.
Well, that was certainly exciting SLOP. I'm glad that Gerald tried it. It's good to try something new sometimes. Even if you don't wind up liking it, a no thank you bite makes you a more well-rounded person, doesn't it? We'll see you next time. Bye!